You want me to call?
Amber. Hey, baby. It's recording, you idiot. Someone dance for me.
I'll fall back in the chair. Do it. Ready?
Yeah.
It was funnier the first time.
That hurt. Hey. Okay, Hannah. Airplane.
Okay, airplane.
Hey, you want to see my airplane?
Sure.
It's kind of funny. You have to come out here, though.
Okay, come on.
Follow the blondies. Follow the blondies.
Oh, no, I'm going to do my round-up.
Oh, yeah, she backs up into the wall. It's hilarious.
Ready?
Do it.
Say,
Go.
you have to say the... Okay, Hannah.
Okay, Hannah, airplane.
Oh, you broke it.
Oh my god.
It's tape.
Oh my god. You're not supposed to slide into it.
I know, I didn't mean to.
Nice.
Witness, we broke the coffee or the foosball table, whatever it's called. Do it again.
Somebody give me tape. Somebody give me tape.